Sunday puzzle. Are you ready to have some fun? I'm ready to have some fun. We have a title here, word problems. Is it math? I hope it's math. Oh, math in the crossword. What could be better? Science in the crossword could also be better. But let's see what we got here. Maybe it's word problems. Maybe it's like words about problems. I don't know. We're going to find out. Yes, we are. Emily Sharp and Kunal Nabar are the constructors. Hello, Emily. Hello, Kunal. Are you watching? I hope you are. If you're not Emily or Kunal, I hope you're watching anyway. Obviously, you're watching. That's why you're here. My name is Steve. If we haven't met, it's a pleasure. My name is Steve. This is Solve with Steve. It's my channel. I like to solve. Hence the title, Solve with Steve. All right, blah, 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 dude. Enough with the blah, blah, blah. Get to the puzzle. Okay, I will. I'm ready to start solving. Let's do it. We have department store department. I don't know. Tater is a spud, like a potato. Ding dong. I don't know. Coffee kit is tater is an urn. No idea. Bachagulpi. I don't know that. Aspen, for one, is a resort ski town, maybe. Big name in syrup is Caro, so let's go with ski something. All right, hard over work. Hard divided by work. Interesting. Fishtail, I don't know, maybe to spin. Is that right? To turn. Bad sign for a weary traveler. Leaders in Qatar are the emirs. Small fly, I don't know. Department store, men's department, yes. None for me. I'm up. I'm okay. I think, how about that? Fishtail is, to skin. I like that better than to spin, yes. Hard overwork. What is that? Measured, I don't, is erudite? That's like well read, not measured. Key above a tilde, escape on the computer keyboard. A small fly is a, I don't know. Bad sign for a weary traveler. I still don't know. No vacancy. It's not the sign of the traveler. It's the sign on the hotel. There's no place to stay for you. Brush wolves by another name. Ooh, I don't know. Encyclopedia filler. I don't know. Words, articles? I don't know. That's just wrong. No. Or maybe it's no. Could be. Iconic Warhol subject is a soup can. So I don't know. Mixed martial arts is the Ultimate Fighting Championship. It doesn't seem right. What else did our Andy Warhol? Let's see. Marilyn Monroe? I don't know. Encyclopedia filler facts. Brush wolves are coyotes. Oh, brush wolves. Okay. Letters for gov, something.gov. us.gov. No, I don't know. Put in power is to elect. Appropriate. We have a new inauguration coming up tomorrow. All right. Tamp down is, I don't know. Cross the line is to go too far. Is this? Mao. Okay, Warhol, yes, Mao. Okay, Mao Zedong. James wrote the screenplay for The Night of the Hundred. James Agee. Building manager is the superintendent. Division of labor. Okay, so it's math puns. Yes, that is division and it has labor. Small fly is a mid. Measured is gradual. Midge is Mrs. Maisel's nickname was Midge, but also it means like a bug. All right, ski area is Aspen. Arjuna's skill in the Mahabharata, is it art maybe? Letters before gov. Res.gov, rms.gov, I don't know. Paola, New York Times paper. This is multiplied press multiplication, press, Paola, press, New York paper, I don't know. Females 35 to 44, that's a demographic group. I don't know. Ding dong is a doozy, I don't know. Confront is to face something. Note in the F minor scale, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat. We have 4 flats, man. F, I don't know. Spanish title, Senora. Breakdown is, I don't know. Iowa Debris is awesome in The Bear. That's Sydney. Transmogrify, I don't know. Indian state along the Himalayas is Assam. Apparently, there's also an Assam province in Pakistan. We looked at that at one of these puzzles. It was pretty cool. Dessert you might come with gummy bears and chocolate chips, informally frozen yogurt. To break down is to sob. Transmogrify is to morph into another form. To starting point of sorts, I don't know. Sky safety is the Federal Aviation Administration. A doofus is a ding dong. That's not nice. Why do you gotta call people names? I don't like that. Language suffix is ease. This is not that's females, and this is a product. Okay, so we're multiplying. It's product of the press. Product of the press? Is that a phrase? It fits. New York's was paper. I don't know. Product of the Times. Okay, I get it, because the New York Times is the paper. Spanish babies are nenes. Let's see. Words of defeat. I lose. Uncle. Words, plural, so maybe it's I lose. The roof of Africa. The Mediterranean. The Atlas Mountains. I don't know. The roof. Mount Kilimanjaro, because it's Manjaro. It's like the tallest spot. Did I spell it right? I think so. Staying power, I don't know. Largest organ in the human body is the skin. Practical is utile. Place for a bob and a weave at the salon. Those are, I mean, you could bob and weave in the boxing ring, but also you can get a bob and you can get a weave in your hair. Starting point is a premise. Let's say staying power is stamina. And be of use to is to assist. Rene Descartes. I think, therefore I am. Strega non, classic children's folktale. Don't know that one. Let's see. Come to rest as sediment is to settle, and maybe it'll form sedimentary rock. Narrow waist is called a petiole. Really? That's called the ant, like the in between, like the thorax and the abdomen. It's called the petiole. Oh, that's a cool word. Food that becomes its own container. If you change the last letter, jam, it becomes jar. A jam jar. Post-spring cleaning event. I don't know. A national neighborhood for the recording studios is I don't know. Let's go here. Onesie wearers are tots. Post-embryo stage is the fetus. English translation of the Irish. I don't know. English translation. One answering to a board is the CEO. Ocean. Ocean. Is that where the word comes from? Huh, cool. Okay. Oh, radical. Square root of generate. Root cause. It's the root cause. Ha 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 ha. Square root. Okay. Females. Deto. D-E-T. Oh, that does not look right. Product of the universe of the times. I like. Ease is language. Could be ish. No, but this is confront his face, so it's not ish. Arjuna's skill. If it's not art, what else could it be? Demo? Is it demographic? Yes. Arjuna's skill. How about aim? Maybe she's or he, I don't know, is an archer of some sort. And IRS.gov. Yes. Okay, there we go. Sleipner's rider. That looks Norse, so let's go with Odin. Soft rock is talc. Wow. We have sediment is settling. We have talc. This is all about Earth science. The geology puzzle. All right. Advanced film copies sent to critics are, I don't know, screeners. Yes, you can watch this. Okay. Awards eligible. Fixes a hole. I'm fixing a hole where the rain gets in. Post-spring cleaning event. I don't know. Relent is to let up. Like about 60% of the world's population is Asian. Because, just India and China themselves. And then you got the rest of the continent. One of the holy trinity in Indian cuisine. Oh, I don't know. That'd be interesting. Real pain in the butt is a hemorrhoid doesn't fit. Let's see. Post-spring cleaning event is a tag sale. Oh, after spring cleaning, you then have a tag sale and you get rid of all your stuff. Okay, National Neighborhood Music Row. Maybe that fits. Pokemon with cat-like appearance is Mew. Nature's fish hook is a talon. You might say, like, literally. Okay, it's what minus you think. So this is subtraction. This is difference of opinion. Ha 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 ha. Difference. Get it? When you subtract things, you get the difference. All right. Real pain in the butt is sciatica. That's pain in the back. I guess it goes down to the butt. All right. Ginger would be the Holy Trinity. Ginger and, I don't know, garlic and cardamom. I don't know. Aga Khan. Yes. Many humanitarian groups are non-governmental associations. Personal approaches are MOs. Modus operandi. Cross the stream is to ford the stream. Climb every mountain. Ford every stream. S-shaped molding is an OG. Give me an A is a cheer. Gave 0 stars. Hated it. To bend, I don't know. Pixar movie Squared is squared something. A Pixar movie with squared? I don't know about that. Squared up. Pixar movie is up, and when you face something right on, you're squaring up. So squared up. There we go. Nail polish brand is Opie. Learn that from the crosswords. Semper Fi, the United States Marine Corps. Okay, in hand-to-hand combat, you might have shields. Cried foul. Maybe you're the umpire, and so the ump cries foul. Pachinko author. I don't know. Jin Lee. Record feature or record feature is a groove, like a record, like an album, like an LP, like a. Okay, gridiron position. Are the ends? Yes. Strove is Vide. It is. Jin Lee. I don't know your name. Something about a circuit. Whoa, we're integrals here. We're seriously getting into the heavy math there. It's an integrated circuit. Routine, workout routine is the circuit routine, and that is the integral. What's left? Is it derivative? Rocket science plus brain surgery. We are adding addition something. I don't know. Let's see. Science. We have 2 sciences. We have genius. It's not rocket science. It's not brain surgery. It's like those are the things you say. Wow, what a genius! It's okay. Company whose logo is said to resemble Mount Fuji. Alcoa fits, but that doesn't make sense. It's got to be something Japanese. It doesn't have to be. Atari. Oh, that is. It's like the 3 lines and it's a curve. That totally works. I like that. Word with peace. Inner peace and inner beauty. Bundi something. Yogurt dish with fried chickpea flour. Don't know. It's interesting. Dapper Dan, fashion designer. I just thought that was like a fictional character. I didn't know that was a real person, Dapper Dan. All right, a loud noise is a din. Season of 24 Jeux Olympiques would be l'été, the summer in France. Evergreen variety is a cedar. Is not evergreen, is it? It totally fits. Okay, Bundi Raita. That looks right. And this is added. Yes, added complexity. All right, because it's not brain surgery. You don't have to make it so complex. So that makes sense. What is that? In Spanish is eso. This and that are miscellaneous. MGM has the lion. Yes, it does. Pressure, so to speak, is, I don't know. Suffix kitchen is kitchenette. Parking and poetry method? No, that doesn't make sense. Meticulous? No. Metered. Poetry has meter. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. The rhythm, the rhyme. Or the rhythm at least is the meter of the poetry, and parking is metered if you have to pay, quarters or dollars or whatever per hour. All right, pastoral poems are ideals, plural. Subtly indicate is to get at. What few people know, I don't know. Trivia, I don't know. Suit is an executive, is a suit. Throws out, let's cut that. Subject for bio major, how about ecology? But that doesn't make sense, because this would be get ought, and I don't like that. Name that drops, Ja is Elijah. Elijah Rock, shout, shout. So let on, subtly indicate is to let on, and throws out is cans then, not cons, which doesn't make sense. So a biology major might have ecology as a class. A few people know America. Esoterica. That's what it is. Wow, it's an esoteric is the adjective, and the noun for things that are esoteric is esoterica. Pressure of the heat is on. Dove calls. Puts on the line. You risk it all. Like the presidency of Martin Van Buren, 1 term. Things editors edit our manuscripts. Wow, this is a inauguration coming up tomorrow. Old Time Film Studios, RKO. All right, Turkish travel stops. Oh, I learned this from Crosswords. It's Imarets. It's like an inn along the pilgrimage to Mecca. I think it's an inn along the road, but I think it was part of the Hajj. I believe I read that. If not, I'm making a mistake. Theatrical release typically, I don't know. Evergreen variety. How about a fir tree? Also a cedar. Coins made primarily of copper are dimes. Really? Well, the pennies are famously made of copper, but the dimes too as well. Wow. When I was much younger, back in the day, in another time, Sonny, in another... Wait. That doesn't work. Okay. Sorry. Back informally is to represent egg, sack, in something tied with a tongue. I don't know. This is a T for integrated. What is this? Finances? Theatrical release? Finances? That doesn't, it fits, but I don't get it. Is this owl? Essential oil. That should be owl. To tamp down is to stifle. Oh, the final cut is the theatrical release. Yes, and then sometimes the director's cut has more things in it. All right. The Russo-Japanese War. A sitter's charge is... What? A babysitter's charge is but let... Doesn't make sense. Heap is a pile. A pet sitter. Okay, yes. Hey, will you pet sit? Oh, for me. Okay. In a past time, long ago, back in the day, something tied with a tongue. Your shoe, you tie it and the tongue is in there, so it's something tied and it has a tongue. You don't tie it with a tongue, but it's something tied and it's something that has a tongue. So that works. I've got it. There we go. Bend is to curve and bail is to quit. I'm going to bail on this puzzle. No, I'm not. Pickleball venues are courts. Michael Cera was in Barbie and many other things like Arrested Development. Mean-spirited sorts are ogres. They can also be nice ogres, Ticked off is, I don't know. A burrowing rodent is some sort of a rat. Sewer rat? No. I don't know. Come up is to arise. Social workspaces for remote workers. Social workspaces for remote work. I don't know. Winter haven for small mammals. They like burrow. They have, I don't know, a den. Big Apple purchases, not New York. They're saying IMAX. Whoops. Are large purchases of Apple products. Okay. Visions singer. I don't know Visions, but I do know Nora Jones. Da, 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 da. Oh, some small mammals live in the shed. Don't know why I didn't come. Okay. Social workspaces, camps, camos for some remote workers. Camps makes a moth rat is a burrowing. Ticked off your cheesed moat rat. And Cames? This doesn't look right. Nah, keep trying. I don't like this. I like IMAX. Could it be iPads? Those are not that big, but dames, and this could be Poat Rat. No, that doesn't seem right either. All right, what do we have here? You're cheesed off. Yeah, that makes sense. Ogres, that makes sense. Michael Cera, sure about that. And I like Atari. That works with all the others. But in a past time, I thought that works, but I don't know about that. And I don't know about this Caves in a past life. Cafes. Oh, that's even better. And a mole rat. And yeah. I forgot the... All right, but I guess there's no more TikTok, so I don't know. All right, anyway, hey, that was a fun puzzle. So it was math. It was math puns, word problems by Emily Sharp and Kunal Nabar. Very, very good. Let's take a look at the theme items that we had in there. Hey, sub 15. Always good when I can break 15 minutes and still have fun with the puzzle. All right, so we have a division sign there. So hard work. But we have division in that problem. So we're not dividing hard by work. It may look like that. We're showing division of labor. Hard work is labor. Then we have here a New York paper is the times. But because we're multiplying, when you multiply two numbers, you get the product. So it's the product of the times. So that's how it works there. Then we have here that sign is for the square root of something. And the square root, so often if you see like the square root of 2, it's just called root 2. The square root of x is often called root x, right? You remember back to those algebra days? Yeah. So to generate is to cause something, and so square root of generate is the root cause. That's a good one. Then we have it's what you think is your opinion. But again, when we subtract, that minus sign means we're going to subtract. When we subtract, you get a difference. So it could say subtraction, like it said division, or it could be the product, which is what you get when you multiply, and the difference is what you get when you subtract. So it could be the operation, or it could be the result of the operation. I'm okay with that. Squared up, that little 2 means you're going to multiply something by itself, and it's squared, right? X squared, Y squared, A squared, B squared, C squared. In this case, a Pixar movie is Up, and so squared up is the phrase, and there we go. Now those of you who took calculus, you know that symbol. If you did not take calculus, what's with the S? That is something called an integral sign, and when you perform that on a function, you are said to integrate the function. So what is the function? In this case, it's not a function, it's a workout routine, and one workout routine people do is the circuit, where you go from machine, and you get a full workout of all your body, all your muscle groups. And so that's a circuit, and so we are taking the integral of the circuit, and we get an integrated circuit. I like that one a lot. And last but not least, we are adding, we have a plus sign, and when we have that plus sign, we're adding two things. And rocket science and brain surgery are what people use in metaphors as the exemplar of something that's complex. They're like, come on, people, this isn't rocket science, or you don't need to be a brain surgeon to figure this out. So rocket science and brain surgery are apparently difficult. And the reputation is that there's a lot involved there, and you don't want an amateur doing it. But, packing a suitcase, come on, people, it's not brain surgery. So that's the complexity, and the plus is we're adding it. So there you go. That is it. I don't want to look anything up today. I looked a lot of them up yesterday, and so today I'm taking a break from looking things up. I'm a little curious of mole rat. I may have looked it up before, but I'm kind of proud of working through this bottom corner. I knew things were off in a past life, and IMAX instead of iPad. No, IMAX was right. I was thinking it might need to be iPads, but no, IMAX got to stay, and Nora Jones got to stay, and Cheese got to stay, and Ogres got to stay, but this turned into mole rat. And this was cafes. Yes. All right. That was fun. I had fun. You had fun? All right. Tomorrow is, of course, Monday. Tomorrow is a holiday here in the United States. It is Martin Luther King Day. It's also Inauguration Day, the beginning of a new presidency, or a second presidency. So that's sure to be. We have some opportunities for themed puzzles. I wonder what the New York Times will do to observe the occasion. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. And I hope that you come back, first of all, to solve the puzzle. But second of all, I hope you come back to watch this. If you enjoyed watching it, I'm very, very happy to have you. Please, 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 would you subscribe if you haven't? I would love for you to subscribe. Just click that right there that Steve had. And if you do, you'll be a subscriber. And I appreciate the support. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, whether you're working, whether you're not. And I will see you in the future. Farewell.